In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use GPTease to write a video clip description. Let's get into it. So when you first get inside GPTease, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your chat history over here on the left. You're going to see some suggestion prompts to get started. And then you're going to see this text box at the bottom where you can prompt GPTease yourself. You'll also find in this top right corner where this icon is that there is a full prompt library that you can scroll through to choose some of our pre-created prompts and then just edit and use as you wish. But for the sake of this video, since we're using it to write a clip description, I'm going to prompt GPTease myself. So I'm going to ask it for a video clip description of a video where I am poolside trying to lure my viewer into the pool with me. And when they decline, I tease them and seduce them instead. So let me write this prompt and see what GPTease gives us for a description. Okay, so there's my prompt asking for a video clip description, and then I go to continue and describe the clip itself. Now you can hit enter or this little icon to send. What's going to happen now is it's going to generate two responses. It's going to generate a response on the left and a response on the right. Response 1 on the left is going to be a more instructional response. It's going to try to give you exactly the answer it thinks you're asking for. Whereas response 2 on the right is going to be a little bit more creative and outside the box. You'll see it generated two different clip descriptions here. So I'm going to read them and choose which one I think is the best fit. Okay, so this one is super descriptive and I love how detailed it is. And this one is much more short to the point, which I think is going to do better for where I'm going to sell this video clip. So I'm going to select the one on the left side. Now you'll notice after you select it, it fills the screen completely. You'll only be left with your original prompt and then the response that you chose. If you scroll down to the bottom though, you'll see some icons and some options. So this is the icon where you can copy the full response. This way you can paste it to use in your clip description over on your clip stores. This other icon here is to share your chat. So if you want to share the entire chat, the prompt and the response, or just the response alone, you can do so here by creating a link, copying it, and sharing your chat, maybe with another creator friend that you want to share it with. Now this last icon here will allow you to switch back and revisit the other response that you didn't choose. Now this is really handy if there's bits and pieces of the second response that you still wanted to keep, but you can always revisit your previous responses by clicking on these arrows here at the bottom. Now you have your video description and you're ready to put it in your store. And that's it. That's exactly how you create a video clip description using GPTease AI. I hope you get super creative with it, you love the product, and I hope to see you in the next video.